Hello, my name is Lilian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to style your twists because I've been getting some requests from you guys asking me how I did some of the hairstyles I've been wearing my twist in. So if you guys would like to see different styles that I come up with my mini twist, then definitely keep on watching. First style that I'm going to be showing you guys is plain and simple. So that's just like leaving your twist hanging down. So it basically just bend it to the back. If you want to, if your hair is like stiff or something, you can use water to just like smooth out the hair. But I'm not going to be doing that today because like so far for like I think about 5 days now, I have been wetting my twists every single day. When I have my bath at night, I'll like, as I'm having my bath, I let water run down my twist, like get it soaking wet, then apply some shea butter on the ends. Sometimes I don't apply shea butter if I feel like I have enough shea butter on my hair already, and then just wrap it in a loose high bun and sleep, you know. So if you put some water to just like smooth it down a little bit, you're not going to have some twists hanging like this. Everything will just be like nice and just lined nicely, you know. It's not going to be this way. But for the purpose of this illustration, let's just pretend like it's sleeping and it's lying down, okay? So yeah, the next style that I'm going to be showing you guys is something I like to do. Your hair is also going to be hanging down, like it's not like you're going to be packing anything, but the style is going to be different. So I just like all the front hair, I kind of move it to one side. You guys have seen me wear this style so many times on my channel. Like most times when I'm wearing twist, this is actually the style I like to do. You're still going to leave the back, you know, hanging down, but for the front you're just going to, you want to kind of tease it, because I usually like the front to have like some hump, just to create some form of volume on top, so that it's not like just flat lying down, you know, just to raise the middle up a little bit. So you're going to tease it. So yeah, normally I would use water to just let everything just be smooth and uniform, to just be flawless. But for the purpose of this illustration, let's just ignore that. So I'm not going to be using water. This is the style. So the next style that I'm going to be showing you guys is like a half up, half down style. This is actually very, very common. So you just take like half of the hair in front, just a little bit. You can leave more at the back depending on how much twist you want hanging at the back. But this is also a really nice style if you want to have your twists hanging but you don't want hair on your face. So you just take your hair tie and just wrap it up, so you have like a cute bun on top, and then the back is hanging down. If you put some water on your hands and just like smooth it, it's not going to be hanging weirdly, it's going to fall, you know. So the next style that I'm going to show you guys is a bun, a regular bun. So you just take all your hair up, take all your hair up and just wrap it up in a bun. So I just tie the hair tie once, just wrap it up. This just form like a loose, effortless bun, you know. So you can also do that like in a low bun. So it's basically the same technique, but for this one you're just bending your hair down, you know, everything going backwards, and then you make the bun. So it's the same thing, just like a low bun. So another thing you can do is you can wear your hair down, but you can give yourself, like, you can wear a low bun, but you can give yourself a nice pattern. It can be a center part or a side part. My twists are like very shrunken right now. So you just bend it, like just, this is actually a really nice style if you are like going to the gym, or like you're going somewhere where you're going to be active, you don't want any form of disturbance. You can just do this, style it in a low bun. You want to make the bun as small as possible, you know, so you just a small bun, and your twist is like out of your face, out of your hair. You can walk out without any form of disturbance. If you want, you can wear a hat. Like if I'm going to run errands, this is how I mostly wear my twist. I just wear a hat on top of it and off I go. And off you go. You can go to the gym, work out, go to run errands, and everything is cool. So yeah, that is that. The next style that I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be a little bit more formal. So let's say you're going to work and you want to do something really cute but work friendly. So you divide your hair into 2 layers, one in front, one at the back, and then bring, for all the front piece, you bring everything forward, and then you just kind of braid loose, no, not braid, you're actually making loose flat twists in front. You just wrap the rest into a nice cute bun. So yeah, this is, let me come closer, you guys can see this is like a cute, nice, work friendly hairstyle. So the next style that I'm going to do is also like formal. This is something that I do a lot with my loose hair, like when my hair is loose. So you just bring all your hair forward, and then you take like a portion of hair from one end and take another, like a portion of hair again from the other end, and you just want to wrap it together. You can make like a twist or a braid, but if you want like more security, just make a braid. So you take one piece from the hair that is in front, then wrap the 2 sections of hair that you brought out. You just want to make a really nice loose braid just to hold it in place. If you want, you can use a bobby pin to do it, but I try as much as I can to avoid using bobby pins because my scalp, like, they're not the best for my scalp. Like, I usually react to bobby pins, like a good number of bobby pins, so I just like to stay away from bobby pins as much as I can. Then for the front, you just take the hair and just wrap it under the hair that you previously wrapped. Just wrap it under, and you want to stick your hair nicely. Just tuck it in nicely. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, it's so cute. So this is a really nice formal hairstyle that you can wear. It's actually formal, like it can be, you want, depending on how you dress it up, you can wear it like as a formal hairstyle. You can also wear it like as a casual, like dinner, late night kind of outing. Like it's so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. Like if I just want something quick when I'm going out, whether I'm wearing twists or I'm wearing my hair loose, like I like to do this. This is just like so pretty and so cute and so easy to do. Let me just quickly turn around and see if my camera will not just move stop focusing. So the next style I'm going to do is going to be like a casual, playful kind of style. What Nigerians call shuku and bays. So for that, just take out like a portion of hair that you want to leave hanging in front, and just leave that hanging. And then you want to take the rest of your hair and just put it up in a bun or a puff, depending on what you're feeling that day. Today I think I'm just going to leave it in a puff. I've been doing bun all day, like throughout this video. Let me just leave it as a puff. Just puff, 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 puff. So you can just take like a pin and just pin it down so that it's down, you know, something like this. But you know, I told you guys that I want to try as much as I can to avoid bobby pins. So I'm just going to take one section from here, one section from down here, one section from here, one section from down here. I'm just going to twist it together just to secure that. When I twist it, you know, something like this, twist, 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 twist. Then just to hold that in place, I'm just going to add it to what will I do to it now? I think I should make a braid instead so that it will stay secure. So I'm just going to braid those two portions down. And just hide the braid under the hair so nobody will know that I did a braid. So that's a cute hairstyle. If you want, you can do just bend it over, put it under your ear. That's another look. Another look. To make it formal, you can just make this a bun. So this is another kind of formal, kind of casual hairstyle. Cute. Now I don't even know how many styles I've shown you guys though. Like, I've just been taking all the styles one by one from my hair, like creativity. So basically, when I want to style my hair, I usually do not have what I want to do in mind before I go to style my hair. I just get in front of the mirror and let the spirit lead, you know, just let the spirit lead. So that's how I usually come up with many of my styles. Like these days, I've not actually been pushing myself to just be creative and things like that. I usually wear one style every day and every day and every day. So yeah, I think let's just stop here. I think I've shown you guys enough styles already. So let's just stop here. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.